more time, give me just one more time.
Specialise in Prager rolls, chicken, steak and cheese. We also make a lovely prawn risole, bechamel sauce wrapped in a sheep pastry. We've got some fresh ginger beer, and that's us.
Your Bluebird Garage is absolutely the best place to be in Muizenberg. This place actually, we came here last week and Sunday, we're back here again. We're serving basically authentic, not Mexican, but authentic Latin food.
We Afro sushi. We're making different kinds of sushi. We're doing sea tuna burger on a bit of sushi rice with a sushi salad. A bit about my store. My store is basically to promote my catering company. So what I do every week is I kind of create menus that I like, recipes that I like, and then I kind of experiment them, and then this is where I test them out.
I tell you about the market. It's the most fantastic thing that's happened in Muizenberg in my lifetime. It's a wonderful place. Any Friday night, if you've got nothing to do, this is where you should come to. Muizenberg is Bluebird Garage. That's what Muizenberg is.
Enjoying this market experience, Bluebird Garage.
Yeah, it's like great, it's very cool.
And
Yeah,
what are you eating tonight?
it's a Prego roll, and some. I think these are sweet potatoes and some salad. Yeah,
Cool.
Stoked, huh?
And the music?
Great, loving the vibe. It's the whole venue is sick. Yeah, it's very cool. Very happy to be here. Huh?
And come back again.
Absolutely, yeah.
Cool, man. What's your name?
It's Minnow.
Minnow.
Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
Cool, dude.
Hi, we're Tommy and this is my wife Rebecca and we're from Ferme-la-Bouche. Step inside our stall.
So I decided to take mousses, traditional mousses, and make them gourmet. Because traditional was boring for me.
My store, all the jams and pickles are homemade. I personally make them myself. I just started doing some cheese. We've got some lovely mature cheddar, some garlic butter, some nice blue vein brie. Chili sauce is excellent. I have a friend making that for me. It is unbelievable. There's no preservatives in it, so it's healthy for you. And as you know, chilies are very, very good for you.
You deep in my soul.